So here today we're standing in a client's yard. This is a Yoshino cherry. If you know anything about Middle Georgia or you're in the Macon area, Yoshino cherries are known for the Cherry Blossom Festival. Macon is known for having its cherry blossoms. Well, this tree here is one of those cherry blossom trees. As you can see, we have a lot of decay in this particular tree. This particular tree is, I don't know, I would hate to guess, but probably 40 or 50 years old. And when most people plant trees, they think, well, I'm planting this tree, it'll be here forever. Well, the unfortunate thing is a lot of our ornamental trees in Middle Georgia, they really don't last forever. And this particular one hasn't lasted forever. This tree has, looks like it may have had a disease or it may have died out over time. And you can see the main trunk. Now you look at all this around it and you say, wait a minute, what is all that around it? Did you plant a new tree? The answer to that is we didn't plant a new tree. These are actually shoots off of the root base of that stump. So on this particular image, if you looked around the side or you looked over here on this side, you'll see down here at the ground, they actually are rooted in. And so this is part of the new growth off of the roots. This in here, all this area in here is all dead wood. So all of that is dead. It's carrying no nutrients, no vital components to the rest of it. This part of the tree is dead, but this part right here that I have my hands on, this is green. But the main trunk comes out and then it comes up here. So only part of this is dead. Part of this is still alive and providing nutrients because this piece that I have my hand on is currently living, but it attaches to a dead branch down here, but it's a green branch here. This is kind of the thing with cherry trees. Cherry trees only really have a lifespan of good, healthy growth for about 20 years, and then they need to be taken out and replaced or changed and put in another one. So when you're thinking about your landscape, think about those things. This particular tree, as you can see, I'm standing on roots. This has a huge root span. We're sitting in a circle driveway here, and if those roots reach the driveway on either side, they could crack and raise the driveway. So keep those things in mind when you're out there selecting that tree, because a lot of times we look and we go, oh look, it's in a little 5-gallon bucket. But this is what results from that 5-gallon bucket, because they get bigger, they grow, and when they do that, they're not going to be the same as that 5-gallon bucket that we bought it. So hopefully this helps you in selecting the right plants. If you need some help, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help you.